Most developers portfolio look like this and this, but this is what actually stands out. In this video, I will show you how I built this step by step. Start from simple, clean resume style portfolio and then add an interactive section in our hero section. Okay, let's just get started. Here I build a clean, minimal portfolio website using Lovable. This is a high-end prompt that you can use. I will link in the description. There's a Notion link there. You can use that. Inside the Notion template, you will find the portfolio implementation plan and the high-end prompt. So you need to apply the high-end prompt with the implementation plan, otherwise it will broke down. So remember that. So this is the hero section. This is really blank. Here you can either add the scrolling animation using whisk and flow, or you can add 3D elements using Spline and other tools you can use to get the 3D elements. I'll be creating 3D elements here. So yeah, let's see. Then there is about section. Here you can brief about what you do, and here also you can add your favorite Spotify playlist. Okay, there should be 6 columns. You can either let's just full screen it. And then when we scroll down there, you can see the achievements and super clean. And then here you can add the skills. Then there is language, and finally the email they can copy, and also there is footer. And here I'm gonna show you how to add the 3D component in a hero section. So this is our hero section. I'll just remove the full screen, and then we gonna connect it to a GitHub and download the code. And this is the main code, and I have downloaded that. Now let's add this to Antigravity, and then we gonna use the Spline to get the 3D components. And this is Spline homepage, and when you log in, this is what you see. This is the page you see when you log in. Here you can search and find things you want, but I am going to look for in communities. This is where you can see the gem, the hidden gems, the things you just don't see in the Discover section. I mean, it's hidden. You need to go through to find that one. So our biggest task here is to find that one interactive layout that works in our hero section. So when we scroll down here, you can just cyclic and see the interactive websites and things like that. But I'm just gonna scroll down, and here you can see all the resources here, the trending one, the popular one, and the new one. And here I'm just go with the trending one, and then just scroll down and find something that that get my attention. So I'm gonna just scroll. So after some scrolling, I have found this, and this is an interactive section. When we tap on it, and here you can see you can move objects. Okay, and that's a special thing about this, and I really like this. Go to remix. Here you can see the text, change the text here. Like you can just come over here and then change the text. Akshay. Okay, and then you can just wait, full name, and hide that. And I guess Akshay is enough, and you can just increase the size of it a bit. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. And now just go here, wait, and now let's just go to export, and here go to code export, and then select this to our React. So React is a language we are using to code, and then copy this code and create a prompt. Now we are in Antigravity and paste a prompt. So this is the prompt I have created, and then just gonna enter. You can find the prompt in the description. Just like that, we got ourselves a result, and I'm gonna just come over here and move things. It's really working fine, you know. And this is a portfolio website, that's what I'm saying. When we scroll down, you can see the sections like about section, then achievement section, and everything. You can change things easily with Spline, or you can just use Antigravity to make things better. And that's it. This is how you can create an interactive website and also a clean portfolio website. You can find all the code I have used in the description. Get that and try it and let me know. Thank you for watching, and see you in next one for video.